I have researched countless YouTube niches recently, analyzing what's growing fast, attracting viewers, and generating revenue. One niche immediately stood out, which is Stoic philosophy and motivation. Channels in this space are blowing up. Some are posting short motivational clips from Stoic teachings and hitting hundreds of thousands of subscribers and views every week. Others are breaking down lessons from Marcus Aurelius and Seneca in a way that resonates with modern life, and a few are blending ancient wisdoms with today's motivational storytelling, gaining subscribers and engagement almost effortlessly. The logic is simple. People are craving focus, clarity, and calm in today's chaotic world, and Stoic philosophy delivers it in short, actionable lessons perfect for YouTube. The most exciting part is most creators haven't fully optimized this niche yet, which means the opportunity to start now, grow fast, and build a loyal audience is wide open. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own faceless YouTube channel in this niche, step by step, using AI to handle most of the work while keeping your content original, engaging, and professional. The first step is discovering video ideas, and AI makes it easy. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate trending video ideas for a Stoic motivational channel. For example, type generate 20 unique YouTube video ideas for a Stoic philosophy motivation channel. In seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of ideas, everything from stress management lessons inspired by Marcus Aurelius to short motivational clips highlighting Stoic affirmations. You can refine the prompt to focus on specific topics like discipline, morning routines, or personal growth. This approach saves hours of research and guarantees you are creating content that your audience is actively searching for. Once you have a topic, it's time to write a script. AI can draft it for you, but you want your script to feel personal, motivational, and easy to follow. Keep it conversational and emotional, not academic. For example, instead of saying Stoicism is a school of Hellenistic philosophy that emphasizes virtue and self-control, say over 2000 years ago, thinkers like Marcus Aurelius wrote down lessons about life, resilience, and focus. Today, those same words can help us manage stress, face challenges, and grow stronger every day. This way, viewers feel connected to the message. They are inspired, not lectured. So you can use this prompt to generate a perfect script through ChatGPT. All the prompts will be provided in the description box. So now it's time to turning scripts into videos. So for this, we're using an AI platform called Vexub.com. Go to your Vexub dashboard and click Create a Video, then select Text to Video and click on Go to Step 2. Choose the format vertical for motivational shorts or horizontal for longer videos. I'm going to select horizontal format to see how it works right now, then click on Go to Step 3. Vexub has a feature to choose a narrator, but now I am going to skip it. Vexub also allows you to clone your voice, so you don't need to record audio manually. Just upload a 1-minute sample and the AI creates a perfect digital version of your voice, tone, rhythm, and natural quirks included. You can check this feature as well, but right now we are selecting one of the AI voices. Let's select this one. I think it matches with the theme, and now click on Go to Step 4. Now we can paste the video topic here to generate a script through Vexub, or we can provide our own script which we prepared with the ChatGPT. After that, click on Go to Step 5. Now, as these are the philosophy from ancient philosophers, we can choose theme like charcoal or vintage to match the theme. Let's select charcoal and click on Start Generation. Now Vexub will automatically add visuals, music, and subtitles. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's play the video. It's perfect, but you can customize everything, replace visuals that match the Stoic aesthetic, calm nature scenes, classical music, minimalistic black and white designs to make your videos visually appealing and inspiring. Then click Export. In minutes, you will have a polished motivational Stoic video ready for YouTube. By mixing shorts and long-form content, your channel grows faster and more sustainably. And because Vexub handles production, staying consistent becomes much easier. You can check out Vexub's subscription packages to see if it works for you or not. If this guide helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Grow with Vexub for more tutorials on building faceless YouTube channels that truly inspire. See you in the next video.